Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to get an EIN for your LLC in a simple and practical way so you can start operating your business legally. First, an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number, is issued by the IRS and works like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. To get started, make sure your LLC is already registered and approved in your state, because you'll need your business details during the application process. Now, the easiest and fastest way to apply is online through the official IRS website. Avoid third-party services that charge fees, because applying directly is completely free. Once you're on the IRS EIN application page, click on Apply Online Now and begin the process. You'll be asked to select your business structure, so choose Limited Liability Company and enter the number of members in your LLC. Next, provide your business information, including your LLC name, address, and the state where it was formed. After that, you'll need to enter the responsible party's details. This is usually the owner, and you'll provide their name and social security number, or I-10. Continue by answering a few questions about your business activities and why you're applying for an EIN, such as starting a new business or banking purposes. Make sure all your information is accurate before submitting, because errors can cause delays. Once submitted, you'll receive your EIN instantly in most cases, and you can download the confirmation letter for your records. Finally, store your EIN safely and use it whenever required for taxes, banking, and official business operations. Subscribe the channel for more videos.